Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Here are some 5 latest technologies which are being updated. One among it is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. Artificial intelligence has acted as the main driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics, and IoT, and it will continue to act as a technological innovator for the foreseeable future. Advantages of using AI or artificial intelligence: 24 by 7 availability. Machines do not require frequent breaks and refreshments as like human beings do. Handling repetitive jobs. Repeated jobs are tedious in nature. That kind of jobs can be easily handled with the help of AI algorithms. These kind of jobs don't require much intelligence in between the process. Medical applications. One of the great advantage of artificial intelligence is utilized in the field of medicine. We can identify the numerous numbers of medical applications which rely on AI. Next among it is blockchain technology. A blockchain is, in the simplest terms, a time-stamped series of immutable records of data that is managed by a cluster of computers not owned by any single entity. Each of these blocks of data, that is a block, is secured and bound to each other using cryptographic principles, that is chain. Advantages of using blockchain technology. The blockchain technology allows for verification without having to be dependent on third parties. It uses protected cryptography to secure the data ledgers. Also, the current ledger is dependent on its adjacent completed block to complete the cryptographic process. The transactions are recorded in chronological order, thus, all the blocks in the blockchain are time stamped. Next among it is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of on-demand computing services from applications to storage and processing power, typically over the internet and on a pay-as-you-go basis. Cloud computing services cover a vast range of options now, from the basic of storage, networking and processing power through to natural language processing and artificial intelligence, as well as standard office applications. Advantages of using cloud computing: less cost. The services are free from capital expenditure. There are no huge costs of hardware in cloud computing. All over functioning. Cloud computing offers yet another advantage of working from anywhere across the globe as long as you have an internet connection. Next among it is augmented reality and virtual reality. Virtual reality implies a complete immense experience that shuts down the physical world. In virtual reality, the user's perception of reality is completely based on the virtual information. In augmented reality, the user is provided with additional computer generated information that enhances their perception of reality. Advantages of using augmented reality and virtual reality. AR and VR allows readers to truly connect with the published content. AR and VR help in customer buying decisions. Detailed analytics is generated for understanding user behavior. The fifth most latest technology is Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things or IoT refers to the billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the Internet, all collecting and sharing data. Internet of Things or IoT is how we describe the digitally connected universe of everyday physical devices. Advantages of using IoT. IoT can provide you the ability to collect data from the network and user advanced analytics to uncover business insights and opportunities and reduce the operational cost. All of this new capability provides opportunities to increase the level of dialogue and interaction with the computer. Thank you. For more interesting videos, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.